Use rope in decorating projects. If you want to add a rustic yet creative feel to any space, then why not use some rope in your decorating projects? It's fun, inexpensive and easy to do. With a few yards of rope, some glue, scissors, and a lot of creativity, you can make various projects that you can use to decorate your home with. Here's how to use rope in decorating projects. Get some rope. The type of decorating project you can make will depend on the type of rope that you have. Ropes come in various thicknesses and lengths. Some types of ropes may be better suited to some projects than others. Determine if you want to use scraps of rope from other projects, or if you want to purchase some from the craft store for a specific project in mind. Make sure the rope is clean and is dry before working with it. Use it to tie back your curtains. Make your own curtain tie back with some rope. If you have drapes, it's nice to use ropes that are a little thicker. For the ends, create some tassels by tying the ends in a knot. You can also try to weave in a ribbon of a different color to add a splash of color to the rope. Decorate your dining chairs. If you have a special dinner, why not make a decorative chair tie back with some rope? You can choose to either tie the rope directly on the back of the seat, or you can use it to gather the ends of a piece of cloth that you will use as a seat cover. Make a frame out of rope. Get an old wooden picture frame and some twine. With a hot glue gun, carefully glue on the rope to create a border for the frame. If you have a thin piece of twine and your frame is a little thick, then you may want to do more than one layer. For the corners, you may want to twist the rope in a special way to create an artistic effect. Glue it on a throw pillow. Have a drab throw pillow you want to spruce up? Hot glue gun a piece of twine on it. Create patterns, such as a cross pattern to make the throw pillow look like a gift. You may also do some curves or waves with the rope. To do this project, you should pencil in your design first so you have a pattern to follow before you finally glue on the rope. You may want to find some rope with a bit of color or sparkle on it to make it more interesting. Decorate a lamp with some rope. If you have an old lamp that you want to update the look, you have two options. You can choose to line the shade with some rope. Your other option is to decorate the body of the lamp itself. If decorating the shade, line the border of the lamp, both the top and bottom part. You may even want to make swirls or ribbon a knot. If decorating the body of the lamp, then you may want to limit it to merely wrapping the ribbon around the body. Use your imagination when decorating with rope. Your only limit is your imagination.